Solve log base 5 of 1 over 25 plus log base 5 of x equals -1. All right. Well, if we want to evaluate a log, you're basically asking yourself, in this case, 5 to the what power is 1 over 25? So 125. So we could set this up as, I don't want to use x because x is there, so 5 to the, let's do r, equals 1 over 125. Well, I can write out 125 as 5 cubed, can I? Right? And then I can write that 5 cubed upstairs and make it 5 to the -3. So you're going to equal -3. So log base 5 of 1 over 125 is -3. So I have -3 plus log base 5 of x equals -1. Now I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. And that gets me log base 5 of x equals 2. I also know that I can write a log as an exponential form by following this rule. Log base b of y equals x can be written out as b to the x equals y. So log base 5 of x equals 2 can be written out as 2. Nope, not 2. That was a close one. 5 to the second power equals x. And last time I checked, 5 to the second power is 25.